I just finished reassembly on this lamp that was in the shop. It's a blown glass lamp, both the shade and the base are hollow blown glass. It was in the shop for repair because this original base here broke during a move. And so I had to remake that part, which included drilling out new holes for the hardware and the switches and the cord to go through. The base I remade has a little more purple in it. And I brought out the purple because if we look at the shade, that part that looks black to our eye when it's off is actually a deep purple that's revealed when the lamp is on. So when everything's lit up, the color match is pretty good. I kind of got lucky with that, frankly. This is a pretty finicky repair because of how large both the shade and the base are and how delicately they had to be handled during reassembly. This piece was originally made in 1996 by an artist named Joe Clearman. And I'm going to keep his original signed part of the base and include that inside. I'll probably adhere it just under the switch here inside the base of the lamp. The little switch there had to be countersunk, so not only did the hole have to be the right size, but I had to grind in a little V-notch so that the base of the switch could glide in there and fit in and sit flush against the surface of the glass. So that was a first for me. It taught me something new. But it's all done, and we'll get it back to the owner. Switch is a 5-way switch. Step 1 is off, step 2 is just the night light. Step 3 is 1 bulb on up in the shade. Step 4 we get 2 bulbs of the 3, and step 5 we get all 3 bulbs in the night light. So again, this is a 1996 Joe Clearman lamp, repaired here at Burnt Glassworks, and I'm Andy Peters. Thanks.